The Airbrush Cake Decorating Kit with Airbrushes and Air Compressor by Master AirBrush. This is another great cookie decorating tool by Master AirBrush. It has all you need in Airbrush to create fun and exciting cookie decorations. The TC20 model compressor is easy to use and carry. Airbrush Cake Decorating Kit with Airbrush and Air Compressor by Master AirBrush comes with a G22 Gravity Feed airbrush and G68 and E91 Siphon feed airbrushes. All brushes are easy to maintain by just rinsing them with water. Compressor and the rest of the kit should only be wiped clean with maybe a damp cloth. The compressor has an automatic on-off shutdown system that ensures the safe use of the kit. It also features an air regulator to prevent overheating along with a water tap filter. The package includes 4 bottles of food coloring and a training book to help you get started in airbrushing. This airbrushing kit is one of the best ones for both professionals and beginners because it's simple but versatile.